Hi guys, it's underscore unit from Kenya, and today is a new day that God has given unto us. Thank you guys for tuning in my YouTube account, guys, by subscribing, liking, sharing, and viewing my account. I appreciate much, guys, and continue, guys, subscribing like that, guys. And if you have friends, guys, you can share with them those videos that I post every day, guys. Yeah, and thank you very much, guys. Yeah, and I'm very grateful, guys, because to see this new day, guys, is not just an honor. We thank God for that, guys, because there is some of us who did not see this day, but we have seen it. We are not sick. We are okay. We thank God for that because we have had an incident that many people, guys, goes there. They travel with cars, and we heard that they had an accident. Yeah, but we are safe, guys. We go wherever we are going, and we are okay today, guys. We thank God for that, guys, for the healthy of the body. Yeah, we thank God. And guys, tune in, guys, watch this video, guys. Yeah, and I'm here in our compound, guys, chilling here, guys. Yeah, you can see the climate. This place is very dry, guys. You can see. Yeah, we are still hoping for the rain, guys, but this place, guys, is windy, guys, and many people are sick, coughing and sneezing, guys, even me, guys. That's why you can hear my sound is not very clear. Yeah, it's just because of that, because there is a lot of dust here, guys, because of wind. Yeah, even other trees have fallen down, the branches. Yeah, it's like that, guys. Like here, guys, I swept today, but you can see how the dry leaves have fallen from these big trees. See, yeah. Now I come and sweep them tomorrow because there is wind. Even if I sweep, how it will not be, it will fall again. So at the morning, in the morning, guys, the time that there is no wind like this, like now, yes. But now you can see how it is, and we swept it. You can see like here it's clean. Where there is no trees, it's clean like that part. Yeah, guys. Yes, guys. I can tell you, guys, this place is very dry, guys. We were the other day, guys. I saw clouds on that side. Yeah, we think that it will rain, but let me tell you, guys, it didn't rain. Yeah, it's still dry like that, guys. Yeah, can you see? Yeah, like we see the rain on that side, guys, but this place there is no rain. You can see how it's very dry, guys. Yeah, so for that. But guys, we are doing the preparation for planting next season. Yeah, so the way you are seeing these farms are, guys, next time, guys, we are going to cultivate them. Yeah, on the other month, that is February, and then on March is the time to plant. But we have not seen any rain in this place, even a drop of rain, guys. So guys, this place is very dry like that. Yeah, like on that side, that is Mount Kenya, guys. There, yeah, we see it in this side because there is Mount Kenya there. We can see the rain every day, guys. We see the rain there on Mount Kenya, guys. But in this place, this is Laikipia County. So in this place, it's like that. It's very dry, guys. The season is like that. But we are hoping, guys, we'll harvest, we'll harvest. Yeah, because the other day, guys, we planted some beans, but it didn't rain. We were expecting for the rain, but we didn't see any result for that. Yeah. Yes, guys. Yeah, guys, now it's like that, guys. We hope God will come, guys, and give us rain. Yeah, because it's very dry, guys. Yeah. Yes, even the cows. I don't know how they are feeding. Let me go and check there if there is water today, guys. There is the sign there that we know that there is water, pipe water. So let me go and check there, guys. Yeah, let's go together, guys, and watch this video, guys. If you have friends, you can share with them. Yeah, and tell them to subscribe for me, guys. It's underscore Eunice from Kenya, guys. Yes. Yeah, guys. This is the pathway, guys. Yeah, see, all of these we're seeing drying these leaves are from these trees. Because of that dryness, guys, and the wind, they are falling down. Yeah, like that. Yes. Yeah. Here there is the sign that I was telling you about. Yeah, see. Like here you can see the pipe. There is outlet of water here. Yeah. So the water comes out of this place going flowing towards this side. So there is water today, guys. I can tell you guys there is the time it was very dry this place. There was no water power going the to the river to fetch water. Yeah. Yes, guys. Even looking at other farms, you can see the dryness, guys. And the leaves there. Like this is our farm, guys. See how it is. It's very dry. Yeah. Even people now are asking they have a big disadvantages of of farming cattle because there is nothing to feed on like that. You can see it's dry grass and they don't want to feed like this place. You can see there is no green anywhere. So the farmers now, guys, are selling their cattle because if you have many cattle, guys, you will not be able to feed them because this is the village, guys, and we feed our cattle with a farm. Yeah, and the grass like this. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, guys. So it's like that, guys. Yeah, but we thank God, guys, because we are still having food to eat. Even if the farms are dry like that, we have something to eat, guys. Yeah, we thank God for that. Because there is some the places that are dry like this, but they don't have any food to eat. But we have the food. We thank God for that, guys. Yeah, and guys, you can see on the other side there, that is Mount Kenya, guys. Every day, guys, I look at that side, guys. I see some clouds there, guys. Yeah, even other side, but this place there is no rain. It's like that, very dry, guys. Yes, yeah, guys. But here you can see a little bit green. Yeah, let me check the tree that I mulched it at the other day. See, this plant, guys, is still growing even if there is no water. See, it's still growing. It's still continuing. And the other one here, guys, it's still green, guys, because we pour some water to it so that it remain like this and then it grows strong like that. Yeah. Yes, guys, and this side, guys, you can see this place, guys, keep some water. Yeah, so that is when it rain you can see this place is still green but there is no rain. Yeah, it, it didn't dry up like other places. Yes. Yeah guys, that's enough for today guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share and comment guys. Yeah. Yeah guys, thank you very much guys. See you tomorrow guys. I'll post new episode guys. Watch to the end guys, and don't forget to subscribe guys, and if you have friends you can share with them guys and view guys. Thank you very much guys, even for commenting. I appreciate much. Yeah, see you tomorrow guys. I'll post new episodes. See you guys. See you then.